Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to combine cells in a Google Sheets. So if you want to combine, merge cells in a Google Sheets, here is how to do it. So in this example we're going to use this project management sheet. Let's say we want to combine or merge cells in these two cells. So all you have to do is select the cells, the rows or the columns you want to merge or combine. And once you selected the cells, all you have to do to combine the cells is to click on this merge cells icon. If you cannot see the icon here, you can also click on format and select merge cells here. But in this case, let's click on merge cells, and as you can see, the cells have been combined into one cell. What you have to keep in mind is that if you have values on the selected cells, you cannot combine them without losing the values of those cells except the top leftmost value. So if we see this example, project management table, if we select the cells and click on merge, we get a heads up from Google Sheets that merging cells will only preserve the top leftmost value merge anyway. If you click on OK, as you can see, only project has been preserved. What you can do in this case is to use the concatenate feature or concatenate function. So as you can see, concatenate, and you would add the text values or number values. I have another tutorial on this if you want to get most of the details and how to use this function, but all in all, this is how you can combine cells in a Google Sheets spreadsheet. I hope you found this tutorial useful. If you want to get access to our complete Google Sheets function database or our Google Sheets shortcut keys ebook for free and other Google Sheets resources and Google Sheets templates, then make sure to check the links in the description below. Also, if you want to learn more about how to use Google Sheets, make sure to check out our YouTube channel and playlists, where you have a ton of tutorials and more Google Sheets tutorials are coming up. So also make sure to subscribe.